your name?
My name is Omkar Munkar.
What is the age?
70 years.
What is the occupation?
I'm a driver.
Okay. So what are your complaints?
Sir, I have irritation and pain in leg.
Okay. Any additional complaints?
When I walk, the pain and irritation in the leg increases, and also during night time it increases.
Okay. So when did it started?
It started around 20 days ago.
Okay. I will ask you about your past health history. Okay. So do you had any gastric ulcer?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Any kind of allergy?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you smoke?
Yes.
Okay. How many?
I smoked a pack for 2 days from 40 years.
For 40 years. Okay. Do you consume alcohol or drugs?
I consume alcohol 3 times a day.
3 times a day. Okay. I will ask you about your family health history. Okay. Do your parents had a myocardial infarction, any stroke?
Yes.
Okay. Do you had stroke in any past years?
Yes.
Okay. Do you take any kind of medicine?
Yes, sir. For myocardial infarction, I take nitroglycerin, 1 tablet when there is pain in chest.
Okay. Now we will do some general inspection of yours. Okay. The patient condition is satisfactory, and according to Glasgow Coma scale, the patient has a normal eye opening, that is 4 points. Now we will check the verbal response. Which day is today?
Sir, it is Sunday.
Okay. So 5 points. Now we'll check the motor skills. Could you please raise your right hand? Okay. Take it down. Thank you. Now it comes to 6 points. So patient's condition is alert and conscious. Patient looks older than its actual age, and according to BMI, we took the patient is overweight and hypersthenic constitution. Show me your hand. Okay. Okay. The pale skin is observed with a normal temperature, no scars and no pigmentation. And we see a spooning and clubbing nails. Now we will do a capillary fill test. Please show me your left hand. Okay, thank you. It's normal. Now we'll do objective examination of respiratory system. Okay, so according to inspection, the barrel-shaped chest form is seen, the respiratory rate is normal, no trachea is seen, and the epigastric angle we checked is more than 90 degrees. Turn around. Okay. Now we'll do a vocal pruritus test. Okay. Please say chaska chai. Okay. Don't squeeze so much.
Chaska chai. 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 Chaska chai.
Take the lungs. After auscultation, we find the presence of whizzing sound. There were no cracklings, no rails, and no crepitation. Check your pulse rate and auscultation of your heart. Okay, please give me your left hand. Okay. Now we'll auscultate your heart. Okay, so patient has irregular pulse. The blood pressure of patient is 180 by 88. That is, patient is suffering from hypertension and tachycardia, and heart sound is irregular. Examination of GIT. First, we will do palpation of liver. Exit. Check this auscultation of abdomen. After palpation, we find out that liver was palpable. So patient is suffering from hepatomegaly, and the bowel sound was normal, and spleen is not palpable. So spleen is normal. The patient is suffering from thromboembolic complication, and the patient has a gangrene on left leg from third toe to fifth toe. We will check the pulsation of femoral artery, popliteal artery, posterior tibial artery, and dorsal artery. Okay. The pulsation rate of popliteal artery is weak, so we'll check the posterior tibial artery. Absence of posterior tibial artery. Pulse. We can't find any kind of pulse rate in the femoral artery is weak, also in the popliteal artery. In the posterior tibial artery, there were no pulse, and also in the dorsal artery, there were no pulse. We have completely examined your left leg and the whole body. We saw that there is inflammation of liver, okay, and also there is a due to insufficient blood supply to your left leg. We see a necrosis and ganglion formation, which is can't be healed with the medications. So in this case, we need to make amputation.
So it cannot be healed with medicines.
No, it's difficult to heal with medications.
So
We need to.
What will be the procedure, sir?
So we need to make a surgical amputation. That we will have first. We will do management of regional anesthesia. We will give you a spinal anesthesia in this case, and then we will amputate the part of the foot which has the gangrene and necrotic from the third, fourth, and fifth part of the toe. Okay, and then we will have drain the wound passively and open wound closure by primary sutures. Okay, and then afterwards we will dress the wound, and after some time it will heal now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
झालं बरोबर बोलले तू नाही वाटत मला बरोबर काय वाटतं